come up to Abbeville and I've been looking around at the skies, and up here they got those two over there, got one little smidgen of one up in there, but we've had two chemtrailers fly over. That's not good, guys. They're poisoning us. That's aluminum, and it's a radioactive barium, radioactive strontium, aluminum oxide, which is a toxic poison to us, and arsenic, which is a poison. And they're putting that up there in the sky to mess with the weather. Alright, thank y'all. Getting that nature flying away. Alright, thank y'all. Welcome to Abbeville, the great car show, y'all. I want to walk around and get some more. Alright, thank you. Newport Custom. Chrysler. Hard with the bright light to see what my camera's got on the front of it. Bel Air. There's a monster engine in that one. Chevrolet, 1957. Airflow Research, never heard of that. Got oil up in the pressure gauge there, gasoline. There's a Nova. Shelby Mustang. Chrysler Hemi. And that one. Turbojet 360. How about the big blue one? How are y'all?
How are you?
Having a good time. Hemi Cuda. Shaker, huh? 396 turbo jet. How are y'all today?
Good, you?
How are you?
Having a good time.
Good deal.
Old Ford pickup truck. That's a 350. $350 custom.
What's your name, man?
Roger Dove.
Roger Dove.
No, like a bird.
Harrison Light. Nice to meet you,
You
Roger.
too, buddy. Where you got a restaurant at?
Technically a restaurant, so I'm the owner of the diner. I act and direct here. My main job is IT for Silver
Okay. Take care.
Camaro. Never seen a ragtop Camaro before. That's cool. Oldsmobile. SS Nova Super Sport 2-door. I had one of these back years ago. 69 Nova.
Like that car?
Yeah, I do. I had one time.
I do. I have one.
2-door 69 Nova. Mine has 6-cylinder in it though. How you doing, buddy?
Pretty good. Checking out these cars.
I hear you. I'm looking for Ricky Bowie. I didn't see him. They say he was over there where he was last time.
Over yonder?
Over at that far end down there. I'm gonna walk back up. I gotta get all these cars over here. I didn't get them. How are y'all today?
Good.
Chevrolet. Impala. Valiant. Plymouth. For sale, y'all. Alright, what's this little monster? Impala. Stag. Ford Mustang 302 high performance. Chevy Camaro T-top.
Put your hands on it. You don't want one on our collars, you'll probably bring it up there too.
We usually buy. We go to the
Bullet. 383 stroker. Motor Company, Chevrolet dealership in Abbeville, SS 398. How you doing, buddy? How are you?
How you doing today?
Having a good time. Yeah, I'm having a decent time. Having fun.
One you might have had. Sir. Remind you of one you might have had. No, not old Buick.
Oh, God, I hear you.
Not that I wouldn't want it, but no, I never had one like this.
It had to be old mobile. Right. Chevrolet.
Chevrolet, man. I know. Chevrolet was the old one. I still got my 70-year daddy car. Brand new. Gotta hold on to it. I'm not gonna turn loose. I don't know if you ever.
Alright, I done filmed every car out here. I'll get more. 300 years, 1670 to 1970. Well, if you come to town to look at the car show, don't forget to come down to Refuel to eat. They got good food here. Alright, thank you. Pink on Picnic. Alright, thank y'all. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, they still chemtrailing us. I didn't see this fly over this blue end, so it must have been coming out of the west over there. Got the moon up there. It's pointing up in the sky, which shows you the sun is way out in the outer space. It looks like it's over there, but it's shining on top of the moon, not underneath it. Alright, so we're not on a flat earth, and the moon and the sun are deep in outer space. Alright, thank y'all. Friends are out here filming today. A friend of mine and my cousin. That's my cousin Ray Bowie. They're slowly getting this house painted. That's not painted over there. That's the painter. That Scott is building a deck out here. They got covered up today because it's painting. Alright, been at work in Abbeville. Thank y'all. Building the police department. There's a wall down there. Seems like to be a long hallway where you enter a room. 2 rooms up here at the front. They're all working on it. Alright. Thank y'all. Check all this bamboo out in here. This has been growing here since way before I was a little kid. We used to come up here and get bamboo out here and make cane poles with for fishing. I don't know who started it, but it's gotten real big. Ever since I was a little kid. We're up on Vienna Street above the railroad trestle if anybody wants to come look at it. Look at these white flowers. I don't know what they are. I done walked all the way down this road. And I was going that way, but I just haven't ever seen these flowers before. And let's see if I can get close-ups of them. Maybe some of you would tell me what I'm looking at. Alright, thank you. Now we got some more over here. These are purple flowers though. They look beautiful. That's a close-up of them. Alright, thank y'all. Fixing up the police department, y'all. Alright, thank you. Out mowing the grass in the colored graveyard. It's so big it's hard to find people to do it, I believe, because they don't mow it all the time. Well, he's down here working on this. This is a black graveyard, and I'm sure it's got slaves buried in it. All the way up to World War I soldiers at least. Alright, thank y'all, God bless y'all.